$47 a month, you can start at $4,000 a month. It doesn't really matter. Today at Grow Rev Agency, our lowest retainer that we charge our clients is What is good, YouTube? And in this video, what I'm going to be teaching you is how you can take your expertise that you have up here and make an additional $10,000 per month. And if this is something that you want, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, because we're going to be giving you all of this content for free weekly and going into multiple times a week. Now let's get into it. I know a lot of you may be sitting there looking at the thumbnail or the headline of this video and being like, an additional $10,000 a month using my expertise? How the heck am I going to be able to pull that off? Now, let me ask you a question. Are you confident in what you have as an expertise? Because if you are, I can promise you, making $10,000 a month in your niche, if you put in the work and you put in the time and you go out and do the work that needs to get done, is not that difficult. Now, there's two ways you can do this, and this is something that I've always harped on, okay? Number one is service. So if you know that you're really, really good at something, that you can take your knowledge and become and provide a consulting or provide a done-for-you service to your clientele, you can do this. There's a video I'm pretty sure I just recently released on my YouTube channel where I talked about how I took my knowledge in paid advertising and social media and went to like $20-ish plus thousand per month in like 45 days. Broke that entire thing down, and that video is probably right here somewhere. You can link it. We will link it so you can watch it. Now, let's say for example, let's just use this as a perfect example, a photography company. A photography company that we recently took on, we took them on, they were doing net probably around $2,000 a month. He had an expertise on teaching people how to take their cameras, doesn't matter if it's a Sony camera or a Nikon camera or if it's a Canon camera. He knew exactly how to take that, teach it to an audience, because he knew he was working with a certain audience, and his audience was the Gen X and baby boomers audience. Show them how to use it to, in their spare time, just have a secondary hobby. That is the knowledge that he knew what he did. He took that knowledge, we helped him create an offer where he was going to offer that to someone to use, and started selling those products. And those products were like, I think it was $147 a month when we first took them on. And in the first 10 months of selling these like cards, they're like, you know, A4 size paper cards, just pretty much breaking down what they need to do, what their aperture setting needs to be, and all that crazy stuff that I don't understand, camera lingo, all that stuff. But I knew he was so passionate about it, so we helped him create that. And he took that and built multiple versions of it, because he did one for Sony's, like I said, one for Nikon's, one for Canon's, etc. And then we started to expand, because then we started to, first it was just meta. It's like, okay, if you have this camera and you just want to go out and shoot on a daily basis and do landscape photography, or, you know, whatever the hell that's called, and you go out and do that, that's what it started. I think there was 4 or 5 A4 size papers, and within a few months, he was doing over $25,000 to $30,000 a month just by offering that. Why? Because he knew his expertise. Number one, he knew who he could serve. Number two, he knew he liked working with. And what I mean by he knew he liked working with, a lot of people come into the business, and it doesn't matter if it's an offline business or an online business. One of the biggest frustrating things that I see is when I ask a client, a potential client or a potential consulting client, is who do you want to work with? And they're like, everybody. And I just look at them and I go, what do you mean everybody? Like, everybody, this product of mine is for everybody. No, it's not, because there's a specific segment in a market and a specific demographic within that segment that you want to work with. Like I said, this photography client specifically liked working with the older demographic. They knew that they wanted to work with a certain amount of people that could only afford the types of cameras that he knew how to work with. So now you're getting very, very granular. So he knew it was older. He knew they had to have a certain income level because they had to buy a certain type of camera, which eventually started to then get expanded farther out, because once he started making more money, he had the time to go learn on other cameras and etc. And then eventually we kept going granular. So understanding your client avatar of what you want, and then going out there creating a product or creating a service. And you just literally have to do that. In today's day and age, an expert-based business will win. It has won for years, okay? Hey, wait, look at this. This is books right here to the right of me. These are all experts that mastered something, put an offer out there in a book, and sold it, okay? We used to go to Barnes & Nobles or Chapters if you're in Canada, or now Amazon.com, and buy these books because we wanted to learn from these experts. Doesn't matter what niche you're in, you have that kind of knowledge sitting inside of you. If you took 20 to 30 minutes a day over the next 3 to 4 weeks and just started chunking down every single thing that you knew, and figured out, okay, can I offer this as a service, or can I offer this as a product? Whether it's through video, whether it's through postcards like we did with the photography company that I was telling you about, whether it's through written form in a book, or whether it's through audio, okay? At the end of the day, your expertise in what you understand is the most valuable thing on planet Earth. One of the videos that I'm going to be doing very, very shortly is talking about why expert-based businesses are going to win, because of places like this where you're watching this is on YouTube, and YouTube will become the world's biggest university. And why? Because all you have to do is give content for free, build an affinity with the niche and the avatar of your brand, and then eventually make an offer to them to either come and learn from you, for them to come and hire you, or for them to come and buy something from you. And that is how you're going to win. So that is what I think that you need to be doing, and why an expert-based business in your niche is going to win no matter what, okay? So that is exactly how you're going to do it. Now, when it comes to pricing, that's going to be one thing that I want to answer in the $10,000 quote-unquote offer that I'm telling you. You can start at $47 a month. You can start at $4,000 a month. It doesn't really matter. Today at Grow Rev Agency, our lowest retainer that we charge our clients is $5,000 a month. 2 clients there, it's $10,000. Replace an income very, very quickly. Now you're probably thinking, yeah, Rohan, you probably can do that because you had all this industry. I started, guys. If you remember one of the most recent videos where I talked about where I talked about your circumstances should not be determining what country you're living in. What's different than all the billionaires and millionaires are living there versus the ones living in the US? Because you are infatuated with the idea of not wanting to be in that country and living in, whether it's Canada or the US or whatever part of the world you're infatuated in, that is what is stopping you. I started at $500 a month, and today I'm starting at $5,000 a month. Why? Because my expertise level increased, my value to the market increased, so did my price. So for every single time that your expertise increases, your value increases, so should your price. And do not be ashamed to do that, because when you start to increase your expertise and your value, and you know you can provide more value than what you're charging, go ahead and do it. I can almost guarantee you, even at $5,000 a month that we're charging, we can easily charge 10. But our value that we want to bring to our clients is not just we want to make $10,000 tomorrow from them. We want to be able to keep those clients for months on end, years on end. And that's the reason why we price the way we do. Okay, so that's kind of when it comes down to pricing. Figure out what you want to do, figure out how you want to do it. For those of you that want to understand how to dig deeper on this, go ahead and download the Digital Expert book. We're going to link it below for free. If you want to take an offer, we do have an offer called Digital Expert Foundation. We're selling it right now for $97. We'll probably link that below too, so you can pick it up. And we break this down a lot. We show you exactly how to figure out what your expertise is. We show you exactly where to run traffic to it. We show you how to do it organically. I show you how to sell it. Okay, so I show you exactly how to do it, whether you're selling at 47 or 47,000, it doesn't really matter, the skill set that we have. And that's how you can take, and literally our guarantee to you at Digital Expert is this is the last course you will ever need to buy for your digital foundation ever. Anytime it updates on Facebook, anytime it updates on any of the platforms, any cool new sales things that I learned, we are going to be updating this course for you. So what I want you to do right now is believe in yourself that you can go ahead and make an extra $10,000 from what's sitting inside of here, put it into a product or into a service, come and learn from us at Digital Expert, or use what I've just given you in this video, and go and serve the masses. Because as soon as you learn to serve the masses will want to pay you at a ridiculous amount. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. If you got a ton of value out of this one, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment. I want to know what your expert-based business is. I want to know what's sitting in your head that you can monetize on, and let me help you. For those of you that know, if you leave me a comment, I will respond back to you. So put down at the bottom of this, put your expertise. I will literally sit there. If you don't know what to do, I will give you some options and give you some answers on how you can take your current knowledge, and doesn't matter where you are, doesn't matter what your circumstances are, help you figure out how to take that and turn that into a monetizable income. Until next time, I look forward to seeing you on the beaches of the world using your expertise, using your knowledge that you can take and make an additional $10,000 a month.